siya. Kinanglan ko isang bulit doon. Kinanglan ko isang guro.
Ma'am, kalma lang ma'am. Pupunan niyo ma'am.
Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale.
Ma'am, ayaw kami di para buligan kasi mga ginagawa. Nurse Janine, pwede mo matawagan si Doc Subong. Hello, Doc? Nurse, pwede mo call or tawagan mga students na ma-observe sila sa psych ward, any patients. Tawagan mo, Doc. Thank you. Hello? Nurse Janine? Problems sa psych ward? Yes? Yes, nakatulog ako na. The patient is out of control. Thank you, Doc.
A few moments after being led to the psychiatric ward, Dr. Jesse, a psychiatrist, introduced the nurse Chessa is monitoring the patient. Is now approximately 5 minutes. 4 psychology students follow closely behind Dr. Jesse observing.
Nurse Jessica, I just got the report. What happened with the patient? Doc? Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Wala ko kabalo kung na ano siya. Hindi na tinawag mo yun. Isa ka kalma sa mga. Sige, sige.
You're safe here, that the medication is doing works, and ay lang kami din para sa inyo.
Ma'am, we are going to help you to feel better, but we need you to trust us.
You're safe here, okay?
Breathe. Breathe.
Yung patient may severe manic episode, so hindi siya namo mapugan kag mapakalma. Ang iya nga adrenaline sa kasige lang gitaas.
Now let's discuss this. You've been studying the effects of manic episodes. Can any one of you tell me what was the effect of manic episodes to the patient's brain, doctrine, and nervous system?
Yes, doctor. The patient's sympathetic nervous system was highly activated, triggering the fight or flight response. This led to increased heart rate, rapid speech, and excessive energy. Her brain was flooded with neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, which heightened her mood and fueled her feelings of euphoria and invincibility.
The doctrine system is also heavily involved. Patients' adrenal glands are likely releasing high levels of adrenaline and cortisol, which can cause her to feel restless and agitated. And the most physically adrenaline. Access is overstimulated, keeping her body in a state of constant arousal. This can lead to physical exhaustion over time, even though she feels like she has limitless energy in the moment.
Her body unable to slow down the neurotransmitter and hormones fueling her energy and mood, but they are also creating an imbalance. That imbalance can lead to erratic behavior, like rapid speech and impulsiveness. We saw in a patient, the brain is essentially overwhelmed with signals making it hard for her to retain energy or make safe decisions. System and endocrine systems feed into each other. The overstimulation from neurotransmitter and hormones create a cycle that intensifies the manic symptoms without intervention, like the sedative